The UX Design Award Gold 2024 goes to Benedikt Herzau from the University of Applied Sciences Berlin for the concept Noise, Interactive Audiovisual Design. Congratulations from the award jury and the International Design Center Berlin. Noise is a synthesizer that empowers the user to interactively create a soundscape according to their own needs and expectations. Noise masks disturbing ambient noise and stimulates the recovery process, sleep quality, and the ability to concentrate through certain acoustic frequencies.
In an increasingly stressful world, Noise offers a unique meditation experience beyond mobile apps. This thoughtfully designed hardware device creates an audiovisual space for mindfulness, valuable in compact living environments. Noise's poetic approach and shy-tech design promote digital detox while empowering users through interactive, gesture-based meditation. The product excels in its attention to detail, showcasing excellent exploration and documentation. By leveraging existing technology creatively, Noise presents a compelling, commercializable solution for modern meditation needs.